One way to ensure that your business stands out online, gets maximum user engagement and ranks highly is to incorporate video content into your site. This makes them the ideal medium for a number of objectives, including advertising, showcasing your company, sharing customer testimonials, and much, much more. Coming up with an idea, filming and editing high-quality video can seem like a daunting and unachievable task if you have no previous experience in videography, but it doesn't have to be. At Designer Websites, we have a fully qualified, experienced in-house videographer who can help you create videos using an array of different filming and media techniques. Our in-house videographer is a fully qualified commercial drone pilot, so capturing stunning aerial video footage of your business premises or projects is well within our capabilities. The DJI Phantom 4 Pro that we operate can shoot in 4K and slow motion, making the footage it captures perfect for turning into website headers, striking advertisements, or case studies showing off your projects. We can also film and edit more traditional style videos in stunning 4K quality. Some of our most popular uses for this kind of footage includes creating video testimonials to highlight experiences of your customers, making company show reels to showcase your business and employees, and giving 360-degree tours to show people what to expect when they visit your business premises or showroom. These videos can be formatted so they can be uploaded across all social media platforms, including YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. If you want to try something a little more artistic, we can create animated videos and GIFs that you can use to increase brand awareness or as part of your advertising campaign. Animation is a great way of getting a message across that might be tricky or impossible to film in real life, by summarizing the ideas quickly. Animated video is colorful, eye-catching, and extremely versatile. Google considers video to be high-quality content, so adding them to your site offers a number of SEO benefits. Our team can help you select appropriate keywords and target them in the titles, descriptions, and content of the videos, so that they push your site closer to that all-important #1 Google position. If you'd like to inquire about any of the services we've discussed today, contact us. We are happy to discuss your ideas and give you a quotation free of charge.